Today, I'm going to show you how to customize an Elementor contact form. This is a great way to create a professional-looking contact page that matches your website's design and collects the exact information you need from visitors. First, go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Once you're in, navigate to the left menu and click on Pages, then select Add Page. This will open up a new page where you can start building your contact form. Next, you'll want to type a title for your new page. Something like Contact Us works perfectly. After entering your title, look for the Edit with Elementor button and click it. This launches Elementor's visual editor, which is where all the magic happens. Now, in the search bar on the left side, type Form, you'll see the Form widget appear in the results. Go ahead and drag this widget onto your canvas. This is where you'll notice something important. To actually create or enable the form functionality, you need to upgrade to Elementor Pro. The Form widget is a premium feature that's not available in the free version of Elementor. Once you have Elementor Pro activated, you'll gain full access to the form builder. This means you can customize every aspect of your contact form, from the fields you want to include, like name, email, phone number, or message boxes, to the styling elements like colors, fonts, and spacing. The visual editor makes it incredibly easy to see your changes in real time, so you can design a form that perfectly matches your website's aesthetic. The entire process is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. You're building and designing a contact form that suits your website's specific needs, and you can change fields and styles easily within Elementor's visual editor. This flexibility means you can create anything from a simple contact form to a more complex inquiry form with multiple fields and custom layouts. And that's it. You've now set up the foundation for customizing your Elementor contact form. With Elementor Pro, you have complete control over how your contact form looks and functions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.